In this video, you'll learn how to turn water into any soda. How cool is that? Boom! What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm Magic Cartman, and today I'm going to be teaching you how you can turn water into Dr. Pepper or Pepsi, Coke, Sprite, or whatever soda you want. Have about this much of soda in your cup. Have a glass and just put about this much of soda in your cup. There's not much, just so whenever you cover it, you can't see it and it looks like it's an empty glass. But really, it's got soda in it. And then grab your water bottle and open it. Got your water, and now you got your Pepsi or Coke, whatever soda you want. Maybe use your favorite soda. And you have it covered, and while it's covered, you pour the water into the cup, and so the Pepsi fills up, just like this. And it just fills up, and so it gives the illusion that the water is turning into soda. But really, you're just watering down the soda, and it's just expanding out. I don't know, maybe it's like science or something, but it kind of looks like apple juice. Like, it really looks like apple juice. And then you'd be like, oh, what? My water turned into soda! And then, you know, if you want to do the cool effect, you can drink it. Doesn't taste very good, but it looks cool. Oh! If you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button, leave a like. You're awesome, and thank you so much for 8,000 subscribers. I love you so much, and you're amazing. Boom! Have a great day.